set out early this morning with the Mavic 4 Pro chasing the summit for a proper long-range test. The first long-range flight clocked in at an impressive 12.2 kilometers. The plan was simple: get to the top, send it far, and bring back some epic footage. But mountains, they like to make their own plans. As I climbed higher, the sky darkened, the wind picked up, and by the time I was near the peak, it hit. Storm force gusts slammed into me, the kind that make you take a step back just to stay upright. The long-range test instantly became a survival test. I took the chance to capture a few shots. The drone handled it like a pro, even with the wind tossing around. The only thing it didn't quite nail was the gimbal rotation. The Mavic was fighting with everything it had, barely holding position. Warnings kept flashing. High wind. Caution. Possible hover on RTH. This was as close to the drone's limit as I've ever seen. The Mountain won this round, but the long-range test isn't canceled, it's just delayed. Give me a month, and we'll see how far this bird can really go.